Good afternoon, guys. In this video, I'm going to explain how to find different points when we have a curve. In this opportunity, I'm going to do it based on this example. Okay, I'm going to create this quadratic equation: 2x squared plus 4 plus minus 10. Okay, in this opportunity, the idea is we need to find a part of the roots, those points, and the vertex, extra points, for example this one, points that are crossing under the curve. Okay, to do this we have two different ways. The first one is taking the points from the curve, as I'm doing right now, for example, if you see. Yeah, but the idea is calculate these values. Okay, how to calculate these values? We are gonna take the equation 2x squared plus 4x minus 10. Okay, and then the idea is to find values. The idea is replace the x value in the formula. Okay, just to remind you, remember that this quadratic equation is equal to y. Okay, we are gonna find three coordinates. Okay, three coordinates from this equation. Okay, to find the three coordinates, I'm going to select three different values for x. I'm going to say 2, 4, and 6, and minus 6. Okay, to make a negative example. Okay, now we are gonna replace the values in the formula. I'm gonna write again the formula: y equal to x squared plus 4x minus 10. Then where you have the value for x, we are gonna replace those values by the different values you have. Okay, and we're going to do the initial example by doing it when x is equal to. In that sense, we will have in the equation y equal to times 2 squared plus 4 times 2 minus 10. Finally, the value for y is 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8 plus 4 times 2 is 8 minus 10. And then the final value for y is going to be 6. Okay, therefore our new point is taking the value for x as a coordinate 2 and the value for 6 getting before. Okay, that is the first coordinate we found. Now we're gonna find another point of the curve that is going to be when the value for x is equal to 4. Again, we are gonna replace in the formula y equal to x squared plus 4x minus 10. Okay, in this sense we are gonna change the value for x by 4. Okay, by changing the value by 4 is equal to 2 times 4 to the power of 2 plus 4 times 4 minus 10. Doing the different operations, 4 to the power of 2 is 16 times 2 is 32 plus 4 times 4 is 16 minus 10. Yeah, and the final value for the y is going to be equal to 16 minus 26 is 38. Okay, now the new coordinate when the value for x is 4 is 38. Okay, the new coordinate. Now we have two new coordinates from the curve. Finally, we're going to apply the same by replacing the value when the value for x is equal to minus 6. Writing again the equation, 2x squared plus 4x minus 10. Okay, now replacing the value for x when the x is equal to minus 6 to the power of 2 plus 4 times minus 6 minus 10. Y equal, remember when you have a negative number and you are raising this number to a square or even number, the answer is positive. Therefore minus 6 times minus 6, 36, times 2 is going to be 72 plus, in this case, sorry, is minus because plus 4 times minus 6 is minus 24 minus 10. And finally the value for y is going to be equal to this is an equal, okay, no a minus. 72 minus 24. 72 minus 24 is 48. 48 minus 10, and the value for y is equal to 38. Now the third coordinate, when the value of x is minus 6, is 38, okay? And then in this way we can find points of a curve given any value of x. Remember, the values you are going to choose for x can be selected randomly, okay? Okay guys, have a nice day. I hope this video has been useful for you. You can check the answers by using Desmos just to complete the explanation. For example, we were doing this in the value is 2. For example, when the value is 2, yeah, you see, when the value is 2, you can check this in the Desmos. Okay, have a nice day.